If you want to sign out of a Google account and remove it from your Hisense Google TV 4K, then let me show you how to delete any Google account or user from your Hisense TV in just a few seconds. To remove a Google account on your Hisense TV from the home screen, just go to your profile photo, press OK, and from here, you'll need to go to Manage Accounts. After that, choose the account that you want to remove, then select Remove, and press Remove again to confirm. It will say Signed Out, and in a moment, the account will vanish from your Hisense TV. In your case, if the account that you want to remove is the last one, then if you try to remove it, it will say that your Hisense TV will be reset along with the account. So if you want to remove this account, first you'll need to sign in with another account, and in case you want to sell it, then you can just hit Remove and Reset. So that's how simple it is to remove any user or Google account from your Hisense TV. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more, and I'll see you again.